Ever walked into your favorite local coffee shop, grabbed a latte, and then fumbled for change only to realize you're short? Or worse, had to break a 20 for a $3 drink? We've all been there. It's a minor inconvenience, but these little things can add up to a frustrating experience. But what if there was a way to streamline those small transactions, not just for you, but for the businesses you love to support? In today's fast-paced world, digital payments are king. We tap, we swipe, we scan. But what about those smaller businesses, the mom-and-pop shops, the food trucks, the local artisans? They often get left behind in the digital revolution, stuck with cash or outdated card readers. This is where Moka comes in. Moka is a platform designed to simplify payments for both customers and businesses, especially smaller ones. It empowers these businesses to accept a wider range of payment methods, making it easier for you, the customer, to pay for your goods and services. So, if you're a business owner looking to modernize your payment system or a customer tired of carrying cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything Moka, specifically focusing on how to sign up. Now, before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's understand why signing up for Moka is beneficial. For businesses, Moka offers a cost-effective way to accept various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and mobile wallets. This eliminates the need for expensive hardware or complex integrations. It also provides valuable sales data and analytics, helping businesses understand their customers better and make informed decisions. For customers, Moka simplifies the payment process, making transactions quick and seamless. It also provides a convenient way to track spending and manage finances. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, how do you actually sign up for Moka? Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. The first step is to visit the Moka website. You can easily find it by searching Moka on any search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a prominent button or link that says Sign Up, Get Started, or something similar. Click on that. This will take you to the registration page. Here, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. This typically includes your business name, your email address, and a phone number. If you're signing up as an individual for personal use, the information required will be slightly different, focusing on your personal details rather than business information. Next, you'll need to create a password. Choose a strong password that's difficult for others to guess. It's always a good idea to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After filling in your information and creating a password, you'll likely need to agree to Moka's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Make sure to read these documents carefully before agreeing. It's important to understand the terms of service and how your data will be used. Once you've agreed to the terms, click the Sign Up or Register button. You might receive a verification email or SMS message. This is a security measure to confirm your email address or phone number. If you receive a verification message, follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. This usually involves clicking a link in the email or entering a code sent to your phone. After verifying your information, you'll be taken to your Moka dashboard. This is where you'll manage your account, track transactions, and access other features. If you're signing up as a business, you'll need to provide additional information about your business, such as your business address, tax identification number, and bank account details. This is necessary for processing payments and receiving funds. Connecting your bank account is a crucial step for businesses. Moka needs this information to deposit the funds you receive from your customers. The process is usually secure and straightforward, involving providing your bank account number and routing number. Moka uses secure encryption to protect your financial information. Once your bank account is connected, you can start setting up your payment options. This includes choosing which payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards, debit cards, and mobile wallets. Moka typically provides clear instructions on how to set up each payment method. If you're using Moka for in-person transactions, you might need to order a card reader or other hardware. Moka usually offers various hardware options, depending on your needs. You can order these directly through the Moka platform. After setting up your payment options and ordering any necessary hardware, you're ready to start accepting payments with Moka. It's that simple. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about signing up for Moka. First, is there a fee to sign up for Moka? This depends on the specific Moka plan you choose. Some plans might have a monthly fee, while others might have a transaction fee. It's important to review the pricing plans on the Moka website to choose the plan that best suits your needs. Second, how long does it take to get approved for a Moka account? The approval process is usually quick, often taking only a few minutes. However, it might take longer if additional verification is required. Third, what if I have trouble signing up? Moka provides excellent customer support. You can usually find contact information on their website, such as a phone number, email address, or live chat option. By following these steps, you can easily sign up for Moka and start enjoying the benefits of streamlined payments. Whether you're a business owner looking to modernize your payment system or a customer tired of carrying cash, Moka offers a convenient and efficient solution. It simplifies transactions, making life easier for everyone involved. So, to recap, signing up for Moka involves visiting the website, providing your information, creating a password, verifying your account, providing business details if applicable, connecting your bank account, setting up payment options, and ordering any necessary hardware. It's a simple and straightforward process that can significantly improve your payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.